Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you. Senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our lesson for today is about types of data in statistics and probability. And this is quarter 2 data and probability for grade 11 general mathematics. Our topic for today is about the types of data in statistics and probability, and this is quarter 2 DP lesson number 14. Intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to define data in the context of statistics and probability, differentiate between qualitative and quantitative data, classify data into nominal, ordinal, discrete, or continuous categories. Give examples of each type of data in real-life situations. Apply knowledge of data types in solving problems in probability and statistics. Understanding data. So, in statistics and probability, the data refers to the information we collected through observation, through measurement, through research, or experimentation. This data can come in various forms. It can be in the form of words, numbers, symbols, or even images. Correctly identifying the type of data is essential because it determines the statistical methods and probability rules that must be applied. Main classifications of data. The first is categorical data. We call it qualitative data. So this data represents the data that describes qualities, attributes, or characteristics. And these are non-numerical in nature, though numbers can be used as labels, cannot be meaningfully measured using arithmetic operations. Examples of qualitative data are the types of transportation, like bus, jeepney, tricycle, car, the blood type, the A, the B, AB, and O, the civil status, single, married, widowed. These are all qualitative data. Subcategories of qualitative data, we have nominal and ordinal data. When we say nominal data, these are without any order or ranking. Like for example, favorite fruit, apple, mango, banana. Ordinal data, these are categories with meaningful order or ranking, but differences between rank are not uniform. Example, movie ratings 1 star to 5 star, levels of satisfaction. And then the second type of data is what we call numerical data. And because these are numerical data, this can be quantified, and that's why it's called quantitative data. This is a data that represents measurable quantities. These are expressed in numbers and can undergo mathematical operations. And then examples, heights of students in centimeters, temperatures recorded in Celsius, monthly income of families. So these are examples of numerical data or what we call quantitative data. Subcategories of quantitative data, discrete data, and then continuous. So when we say discrete data, these are countable values and often whole numbers. Example, the number of siblings, the number of cars owned. Continuous data, these are measurable values within a range and can take infinitely many values. Examples, the weight in kilograms, and then the time in seconds. Connection to probability. In probability, identifying the type of data helps in selecting the correct method for analysis. For nominal data, frequency counts, and categorical probabilities. Ordinal data, ranking-based probabilities. Example, chances of being satisfied or very satisfied. Discrete data, probability distributions like binomial probability or the Poisson probability. Continuous data, these are continuous probability distributions such as normal probability distribution or exponential probability distribution. And our key takeaways. Qualitative data describes qualities, and there are two kinds of data which are nominal and ordinal. The second type of data is quantitative, and this describes quantities. And there are two types, discrete and continuous. So those are the key takeaways. Identifying the type of data ensures the correct application of statistical tools and probability tools, which is crucial in data analysis and real-life decision making. Practice problems for quarter 2, data and probability, lesson number 14, types of data in statistics and probability. This is the direction. Identify different types of data. Number 1, the grades of students in mathematics tests are A, B, C, D, and F. So, given grades A, B, C, D, E, F, require the type of data. So, the solutions, grades are categories with order. A is better than B, etc. And then, final answer, this is an ordinal data. Number 2, the daily temperature recorded in Manila for the month of January. So given daily temperature values and required the type of data. So our solution, temperature is measured numerically and can be meaningfully compared. So the final answer, these are what we call interval data. Number 3, the list of countries visited by a traveler. So we're given the country names. So required type of data. Solution, names are categorical with no ranking. So the final answer, nominal data. Practice problem number 4. The number of cars passing through a toll gate in 1 hour. So we're given the number of cars. So we are required the type of data. So solution, count values are numerical and start at 0. So the final answer, this is the ratio data. And then number 5, the blood type of patients in the blood types of patients in a hospital. We have A, B, and O. We are required to state or determine the type of data. Solution, these are categories without order. So the final answer, nominal data. Number 6, the brand of cell phones owned by students in a classroom. So we're given Samsung, iPhone, Oppo, etc. Required, what is this type of data? So, a solution, brand names are labels. So, final answer, nominal data. Practice problem number 7. The height of basketball players in centimeters. So we're given heights in centimeter, the type of data. So solution, these are measured numerically, has an absolute 0. So the final answer, ratio data. And then practice problem number 8. The gender, male, female, of students in a class. So we're given male or female. Required the type of data. So solution, categories with no ranking. So the final answer is nominal data. Practice problem number 9. The number of goals scored in a football match. So we're given goals 0, 1, 2, 3, ellipses are required the type of data. So solution, countable numbers starting from 0. So the final answer is ratio data. We will have the next part of this lesson, quarter 2, data and probability, lesson number 14.